Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings because that's where the storage policy lives. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and choose Photos. This reveals the Optimize iPhone storage toggle. You must be on Wi-Fi and have reasonable battery so full-resolution originals can download after you switch. Once you see the option, you're ready to act. This step prevents missing files and ensures your device can handle the change without pausing mid-sync. Now toggle off Optimize iPhone storage and select Download and Keep Originals. This instructs the phone to replace low-res device files with full-resolution originals from iCloud. If iCloud Photos was off, enable it and then pick Download and Keep Originals so your phone pulls down every original. Keep the device plugged in and on Wi-Fi. Large libraries and slow connections are the main reasons downloads stall. Finish by verifying a few photos info to confirm full-resolution originals are present. If downloads stop, free temporary local space or restart the iPhone, then reconnect to Wi-Fi and let it resume. If your device still lacks room, back up the iCloud library or specific albums to a computer or external drive, then try again. One key troubleshooting tip. Toggling iCloud photos off and on can force a resync, but only after you've secured a backup to avoid accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.